A very Bonza welcome to Tamworth, where the local time is approximately 8:57, sorry, my apologies. We would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. If your mobile phones are within reach, you are welcome to use these now. If you are leaving us via the tarmac, we ask that all electronic devices are not used until you have entered the terminal. Before leaving, please check your seat for all personal belongings and be really careful when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved during our flight. When you leave the aircraft, please follow the direction of our ground crew. A reminder that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes are not permitted on the tarmac or inside the terminal building. On behalf of our legends on board today, we would like to thank you for flying with Bonza and look forward to seeing you on board again soon. If Tamworth is home, welcome home. If you're visiting loved ones, enjoy some special moments together. And if you're here for business, please don't work too hard. Thank you and have a great day.